All right, so what we have here is a rhombus. You can see by the four markings here, 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 and here. And we know a rhombus has diagonals that bisect each other. So this will also be a 24 meters right here. If we're looking for xz, that would be 24 times 2. So that's a 48 meters. Next, we're looking for the measure of angle xyz. So that would be this angle all the way over here. Let's see, we also know that the diagonals bisect the opposite angles. We could also very easily prove that these four triangles are congruent, which therefore makes this a 55 as well. This is a 55, this is a 55. So angle XYZ will be 55 plus 55, which will be 110 degrees. Next up, we need the measure of angle XYW, which would be just this guy right here, which we just found. That's easy, 55 degrees. Next, we need line segment YX, which is this guy over here. And it's a rhombus, right? So that's going to be congruent to this guy over here. So that'll be 30 meters. Okay, next, the measure of angle YXZ. YXZ, that would be this little angle right there. And let me go ahead and put a double mark on there to stand out a little bit. YXZ. Let's see, I have this triangle. It's got perpendicular diagonals. So if I just pull that off and look at, we have a 55 here, and we got a 90 degree there. We're missing that piece right there. Well, you're just going to subtract from 180. So it'll be, let's see, 55 plus, let me just call this A. Plus 90 plus A equals 180. That means 145 plus A equals 180. And let's see, that means A is equal to 35 degrees. So there we go, 35 degrees. YXZ will be 35. This is 35, this is 35, these are both 35. So that's that. All right, next up we need YW, which is all the way across here. Now if I were to focus on just this one triangle, this guy right here, let me just shade that real quick. Here's a 24, here's a 30, we know those. We'd like to find this side length, and we could double it because we get the same thing over on the right. So a little Pythagorean theorem on this. Here, let me use, let me just call this, I don't know, let's pick a letter. How about W? So a little Pythagorean theorem, we're going to go W squared plus 24 squared equals 30 squared. We got some bigger numbers here. I believe that is 576. This is 900. Let's see, if I subtract the 576 over, I get W squared equals 324. And feel free to grab a calculator on these. In fact, I'm going to do that right now just to verify. Let's see. First of all, 24 times itself. Yes, 576. Take that away from, yep, we're looking good. So it turns out if you square root both sides of this, we get W equals 18. Okay, so if that's 18, and this is 18, then the whole thing will be 36. And we'll put meters on that. All right, and that's it for 11 through 16. I'll have another short video in just a moment for the next question.